In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew AutoCAD 1-year student license for free, if your educational access to AutoCAD is about to expire. Don't worry, renewing it is quick and straightforward, and you won't need to reinstall the software you already have. First, log in to the Autodesk Education Community page using the same account you used to activate your current license. Make sure you are signed into your education profile, not a personal or business profile, so the renewal option appears correctly. It helps to use a modern browser and disable any aggressive ad blockers, since banners and notifications can be hidden by those tools. As you approach the end of your current term, look for a renewal banner, starting 30 days before your license expires. You'll see a notification at the top of your Autodesk account page inviting you to renew. Click the button labeled Renew Now. This takes you directly into the renewal flow and ensures your access continues without interruption. Next, verify your eligibility. Autodesk may ask you to confirm your institution details or upload documentation again to prove you are still a student or educator. Acceptable documents typically include a current school ID or an official transcript that clearly shows your name, your institution, and valid dates. Make sure the images or PDFs are clear and legible, and only include what's required to verify your status. If something is outdated or hard to read, take a new photo or re-download the document from your school portal. Before submitting, follow the on-screen prompts to complete this step. After you submit your information, wait for confirmation. In most cases, you will receive a message in your Autodesk account and an email letting you know the renewal is approved. Once confirmed, your education license is extended for another year. If you don't see an update right away, give it a little time and then refresh your account page. Good news on the software side. You do not need to download AutoCAD again. Your existing installation will recognize the renewed license the next time it checks in. If the app doesn't reflect the change right away, sign out and back in within the Autodesk desktop app to refresh your credentials. If you want, you can also access the latest versions of AutoCAD from your Autodesk account. Just download and install over your current setup to get new features and improvements. That's it. Thanks for watching.